Oh, yeah. Now I can hear you. Wow. So it's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again,
Today
Namkan.
we'll
Hmm?
Rambudo. Today we'll
Yes.
play Rambudo.
Yes, later after this lesson, if we finish this lesson, we will play bamboozle. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
teacher.
This is our new lesson. We need to finish it.
Eh? Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello, Chang.
Hello. Hello,
How
teacher.
are you today? It's nice to see you again. You are in the beach. Wow. So it's uh, how are you today, Chang and Nam? Hmm. Are you both happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's very good to know. So are you ready for our new lesson for today? Are you
Yes.
both ready? Okay. Wow, that's very good. Good job, Jangmin. So for this one, so after this lesson, hi. So after this lesson, so we will play bamboozle. Okay?
Hey.
Okay. So no one will get angry, okay? So it's just a game. Okay. So for this lesson, so we will talk about summer. So summer.
Super
Yes.
summer. Hi,
Super
teacher. What
summer.
did you eat today?
What? What did you
What
say?
do you eat? What do you eat today?
What do you eat? Ah, I eat fried chicken today.
I eat
How
fry today.
you eat? You eat what?
Fry. I fry.
Fries?
Yes.
Oh wow,
Eat
that's delicious.
rice, cheesy, and chicken.
Wow, we have the same. I also ate a chicken today. Wow, you have a good dinner. That's very good to know. So for this one, what else? What else did you do today before we start our lesson? Did you also drink a
Uh,
juice? What else did you do today? Did you go to school, Jangmin and
yes.
Namka?
Yes. Yes.
Wow,
My
how was
s- my sister not not to school. Go to school.
why? Why is your sister don't go to
Sister
school? Sister
cannot
Ken?
not not to school
Why? Oh,
Monday and Tuesday.
oh, so she can only go to school Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? Is that
No,
correct? Ah, no.
Tuesday and Monday.
Oh, Tuesday and Monday. She have school in Tuesday and Monday. But today is Tuesday. She didn't go to school today? Is that your older sister or younger sister, Jangmin? Older
My
sister or younger?
sister.
Older?
No,
Oh, younger.
younger.
Oh, okay. And how, oh, that is that your sister at your back?
My
Oh,
sister, my sister, 13. Oh,
oh, 13 years old. So she is older. She is older than you. Yes. And how about you, Namkan? Do you also have a sister?
no.
I know. Brother. You have a brother?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. How old is your
But I don't
brother?
have baby.
What?
What teacher?
How old is your brother?
Yeah.
12? Oh, so Jangbin's sister is older than your brother. Wow. Okay, so thank you very much for sharing your experience today. So now, let's go into our lesson here. So what is our lesson today? It's all about
Summer.
some
Summer.
Summer, very good. Just like Jangmin. Jangmin is in the beach today because at this month it is summer. So most of the people in summer they go to the beach like Jangmin. Yes, they go at the beach like Jangmin. Okay. So next one. Let's go and learn words about summer. So for this one you need to listen carefully because we will have a bamboozle after this one, okay? So I hope you will answer those ones. So now, let's take a look at this picture. What can you see in this picture?
See a house bird.
Very good. It's a birdhouse. Good job. Wow. How about you, Namkan? What can you see in the picture?
We can see a bird.
Bird. Yes, perfect. So there is a bird in on the top of the birdhouse. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
This is a sun.
Very good. It's a sun. How about these? What are these?
This flowers.
Flowers. Very
These
good,
are
Chami.
flowers.
These are flowers. Very good. How about this one? What do we call this?
A big tree.
Big tree. Very good. It's a big, big tree. So this thing, so we can see all of these things in summer or the season of summer. So when we say
Summer.
yes, so when we say summer, so the weather is hot and sunny. So the weather is hot and sunny. Okay. So most of the plants, flowers, birds, so that we can all see those in the summer. So next one, wow, very good. S, what is that? Summer? Can you spell summer? Jangmin? Sun. What is that? Sun? Yes, wow, very good. So this is sun. So good job. So now let's take a look at this one. What do we call this? Or what is this picture showing? It's a, what is that? It's a, what do we call this one?
You go
It's a,
in chat. You go
I go
in
in
chat,
chat,
teacher.
a
Yeah.
sun. Very good. But use your mouth. You should talk. But very good, Namkan. It's a sun. And very good also, Jami. It's
Teacher,
this.
what
What?
does the draw? What does draw? S
What Changdro? sun. It's the sun. So very good. But for this one, we call it
Teacher, can you see me?
no. I can only see a dog. Are you a dog? I can
No.
only see a dog. How about you, Jangmin? Can you see Namkan? Can you see Namkan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What animal is Namkan? He is
It is a wolf.
a wolf. Oh, he is a wolf. I can see Namkan. I can only see a wolf. Okay, so that very good for the both of you. So this is sun, but we call it sunshine because the sun it shines brighter in the sky, especially in the mornings and in the afternoon. Okay, so next one. How about this? What is that? Shh. What can you see in this picture? Very
Rain.
good. It's the rain. Good job. So as we can see, there are waters dropping in the sky. So that is the rain. Next, how about these? What are these?
This a flower.
Okay, very good. These are flowers. How many flowers? How many flowers are in the picture?
Many.
Many.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Okay, very good. So these are many, 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 many flowers. So next one. What do we call this place? Like in Jangmin's background. What is this place?
Here, here, here,
It's the
here, here.
beach?
Sea. No, it's a
Sea?
sea.
Is it the sea?
This,
Yes,
this.
very good. It's the sea. But what do you call that place? That place in a hole. We call it
It's
as
a beach.
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 Very good. So very good. This is the sea. And all of this, we call it as beach. Okay, very good, Namkan and Jangmin. And next one, let's go with this one. What do we call this ball?
A ball. This is a
It's a
ball.
ball. Very good. What kind of ball is this? What kind of
It's
ball?
a it's a number block ball.
Number black ball? What is
Yes,
that? What is that? Okay,
the
so we
number
call number black. Okay, so we call this at as
of.
beach ball, beach ball. So this ball, as so we can see it. Is it a ball? Yes, it is a ball. So we can see it in a beach ball. Okay, number block ball. How about these? What do we call these clothes? Hmm, what are these clothes? These are
This club is a club girls.
what?
Girls.
What? Girls' clothes? Girls' clothes?
Yes.
Yes, good job. It's a girl's clothes, mostly at least when we can see, so it's in the color of for the girls. But for this one, we can see it in mostly in the beach. We call it as swimsuit. So this is what we wear in the beach, swimsuit. Okay. So next, oh, what do we call this place? So it has a lot of
It's
plants.
garden.
Garden, very
No,
good. Did
it's super garden.
super garden. Why do you say that it is a super garden? Because it's so
Super
big.
garden.
Super garden. Yeah, so very good. This is a garden, a super garden. So good job. Okay, so those are the things that we can see usually in the summer. So now, let's go with our first word here. Can we read this one? Let's say the sunshine.
The sunshine.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. What
Tita,
colors?
where is the star?
What
Where is star? A
star?
star.
It's not a star, it's a sun.
Where,
Star is
where is the
star
star? I can.
s-
It's yellow.
star is
I
like
can.
this. Oh yes,
No.
very good. No, it's not a star. Star is different
My
than a
star
sun.
is in in Thursday.
Ah, Thursday? Yours what star? Wow, very good. Can you draw a sun? Draw a sun.
Okay.
Chin, 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 chin. Is that a sun? How about you, Namkan? Can you also draw a sun? A sun, a sun, a sun? Hello there. Is that your sister?
Yes.
Yes. Let's draw a sun. Draw a sun, draw a sun. Hello. Is that your older sister or younger sister? Yes, very good. Wow, that's a very good sun. How about you, Namkan? Can you draw a sun? Draw a sun. Oh, why your sun is not here?
This is a moon.
It's a moon. Wow, very good. It's a moon. Very good. Namkan, oh wow, that's a good sun. You're very good. You are both very good in drawing. It's so cute. Okay, so very good to the both of you. So this is the sun, or we call, yes, what?
What is the star?
What did you say?
What is the star?
What is the
Young
star?
have, young have nice star. I have little star. This is
Yes, it's a moon.
what is the star?
What is the star? What star?
Sangat nice star. I have
Nine.
little star.
Oh, that was last time. So we are done with that game.
Oh
With the
my
star.
god! Wow!
Wow. Okay, so now let's go with
Okay.
our next page. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big, it's a big
A
circle.
rain.
It's the
Rain.
rain.
It's
We,
rain.
it's the rain. Very good. So now, what is what is falling from the cloud? What is falling from the cloud
Water.
when it rains? Yes, very good. It's the water. Water. Or what we call raindrops. Okay.
Tito.
S- Yes.
Tito.
Yes. Yes, Namgan.
Tito.
Yes.
Tito in the computer.
What?
Tito in the computer.
What what did you say? Can you type? Can you type your what are you saying? Teacher cannot hear you somehow. Okay.
It's raining.
It is raining. Very good. So now, I have a question for the both of you, Jangmin and Namkan. So if you are outside and it starts to rain, what would you do? Will you play in the rain? Will you play? Do you like to play in the rain? No. Yes or no? Yes. Do you like to play in the rain? What do you like to do? What do you like to do when it's raining? Do you take a bath in the rain? Or do you like to play in the rain? Yes. Your sister said yes. How about you, Jangmin? Do you like to play in the rain? Namkan, do you like to play in the rain? Yes or no? No?
Super yes.
Super yes. It's a super
Super
yes.
yes. Oh.
Okay, so very good. How about you, Namkan? Do you
Yes.
like to play? Do you like to play in the rain?
Yes.
Super yes. Yes, yes. Roy GB. How about Namkan? Namkan, do you like to play in the rain? No, 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 no. Okay, so basically this is the rain. So next one. What do we call this place? It's the what?
The beach.
The beach. Very good. How about Namkan? Namkan is not talking. No, why no? Okay. So now what do you see in the picture or what can you see at the beach? I can see.
Castle.
Very good. Very good to the both of you. So we can see a sand castle. How about this one? What do we call this? It's a it's a we call it as a bucket. Oh, sandcastle. Ching, sandcastle. We call it as a bucket. Bucket of sand. Okay? So that is what we use. What we use to dig or what we use to earn some sand so that we can use it to make a sand castle. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
My letter has 1,000 letters.
1,000 letters. So
Yes.
that's so many. Okay. So next, okay. A teacher has another question. What is the
Okay.
sand what is the sandcastle made of? It is made
The
of
sand. The
yes,
sand.
very good. It is made of the sand. Now,
The sand.
the sand. Okay. So Namkan and Jangmin, what do you
What
like
is
to
it?
do? What do you like to do at the beach?
What is it? Like to swim in the beach.
Very good. I like
Teacher,
to
what is
swim in the
it?
beach. What is it? Where? Where? It's a flag. This one? It's a
Yes.
flag. It's a flag.
Flag.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
flag from Japan.
Yes, very good. So we most of the
Kita baka.
sandcastle. What?
Kita baka.
It's a backpack. Okay, how about you? How about you, Napkan? What do you like to do at the beach? Do you like to swim?
No.
Oh no. Do you like to make sandcastles?
No.
No. What do you like to do at the beach?
I like to sleep.
Oh, you
I like
sleep?
to sleep.
You sleep?
Yes. Yes.
Why? Why do you sleep at the beach?
Yes. I want to sleep in the beach. But
Why?
I'm very tired.
Oh,
Sleep in
very tired. Okay. Very good. So when we are very tired, especially at the beach, so we sleep. So we don't have a choice but to rest, okay, instead of enjoying the beach. How about this one? What do we call
the swim.
this?
The
The, s-
swimsuit.
the swimsuit. Very good. So do you have a swimsuit?
No.
Oh
Yes,
no.
I have.
Oh,
Then
why? What color is your swimsuit, Jiangmin?
pink.
Color pink.
No. Color
What color is your swimsuit?
super green and blue.
Ah, your
For
swimsuit
maroon.
your swimsuit
For
is
maroon.
color pink.
My other.
How about you, Namkan? You don't have a swimsuit?
Yeah.
Why don't you have a swimsuit? I thought you like to swim. I thought you like
No.
to swim. Ah, no. It's okay. If you don't like to swim, so it's
Right.
okay. Okay.
I like
So
to play. I like to play race car toy. Race car. Race car. I like
race
to play the race car toy.
or race car toy?
Yes.
Wow. Can I see your race cars? Can I see? Where are your race cars? Okay. So for this one. This is the swimsuit. So we usually wear swimsuit.
Pink.
I like pink. We usually wear swimsuit, especially when we are swimming in the beach, because swimsuit it makes us feel at ease. Okay, so swimsuit is the best when, especially when we are swimming, because it helps us. Okay, so next one. Oh, what is this? What do we call this? It's the
Baba.
ball. What kind of ball? What kind of ball is this? Is it a soccer ball?
No, it's sandball.
It is a sandball?
Yes.
Or is it a beach ball? Beach ball. It is a beach
Pink.
ball. Yes. So this is the ball that we
Pink.
usually, you like pink? This is the ball that we usually
No.
see, no? This this is the ball that we usually see in the beach. So because it can float in the beach. Your sister is there. Okay, next. What do we call this?
Super flowers.
Super flowers. Very good. It's the super flowers. Sunflower. Very good. Namkan, sunflower. How about this one? What is this? What flower is this? Is it a rose or a tulips?
Tulips.
Tulips. Very good. Wow, good job. So these are flowers. So
Tita,
we
I want to play Mambulo.
oh later. We still haven't yet finished this one. Okay, so let's finish first before we play, okay? Okay, so that is the flowers. How about this? What do we call this?
The garden.
It's the garden. Very good. What can you see in the garden?
I see the sunflower, the tulip in the garden.
Very good. I see the sunflowers, tulips,
See,
and other flowers in the garden. So
see,
good job.
see
So now,
14 flowers.
what? What did you say?
14 flower.
14 flowers. Wow, very good. So it's 14 flowers. Next, okay. If you will plant, okay, teacher has a question. If you could plant one flower in the garden, which one would you choose, or what flower would you like to plant?
I choose lettuce.
Lettuce?
Yes.
Lettuce? Is lettuce a flower or a vegetable? Lettuce is a vegetable. Okay, how about you, Namkan? What flower would you like to plant in the garden?
Yeah.
What flower would you like to plant, Namkan? Oh, sunflower. Is sunflower your favorite flower?
Yes.
Oh,
No.
wow. No. What's your
Lotus.
favorite? Oh,
Rose.
lotus.
Rose. Rose.
Lotus rose.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, okay. Jangmin, did you said lotus or lettuce?
Lotus.
Ah, okay. It's lotus. I thought it was lettuce because lettuce is a vegetable. So lotus, yes, very good. So lotus is one of the flower, one of the very, very beautiful flower. So good job to the both of you. So next one. Okay. So what do we call this season? What is that? Is that a
The
phone?
sun. Summer.
It's the summer. Is that a
No.
what are you holding?
No.
What is that?
A radio.
Oh, radio.
Yes.
Why are
Bye-bye, teacher.
why are you holding a radio?
Cinnamon.
Okay, so for
Tita,
this,
cinnamon.
what?
The cinnamon.
Cinnamon,
No,
cinnamon.
I don't like cinnamon.
Okay.
No,
So for this one, Namkan and Jangmin, what do you like to do in summer? What do you like
I
to do?
want football.
I like to.
I
What do
like
you
to
like?
play football on
Oh,
like in
wow.
summer.
Wow,
I
very
play
good.
like cinnamon.
W-
Like
What do you like to play, Jangmin? I like to play.
my Roblox.
Oh,
I play
Roblox. You like to play
Uno.
Roblox?
Like Roblox.
Grow
No,
a garden.
game. Cinnamon. No,
No?
no.
Okay, so very good. What do you like to play?
Play Uno in my game.
Oh,
Cinnamon.
okay. So very good. So now let's try to now let's try to check if you understood each pictures. So now can you both read these words? Ball,
Okay.
flowers,
Yeah. Okay.
beat. Okay, let's read. Ball, flowers.
Love. Flower beach. Sunshine. Garden. Swimsuit. Summer. Rain.
Okay, wow, very good. So now let's answer this. Okay, so after this one, we will play bamboozle. So now let's take a look
Okay.
at this picture. What is this?
I can.
You can?
Boom.
Very good. What is that? It's the,
It is summer.
very good. It's the summer. Next, what is this? It's the, what's
It is
this?
sunshine.
Sunshine. Very good. So good job. Next. Hmm, what is this?
It's rain.
It's the rain. Very good. Next, how about this one?
I can.
It's the,
It is the flowers.
very good. It's the flowers. Next, how about this? It's the, hmm,
Beach.
beach. Very good. It's the beach. Next one. Tin. Oh, what is this?
It is ball.
Ball. Perfect. And next, how about these? It's the girl clothes. It's the
It is the swimsuit.
swimsuits. Very good. And last one. It's the
Garden.
garden. Wow, very good. So good job. So now let's play a bamboozle. So
Football.
let's check. Let's
Yay!
okay, let's check your understanding with what we have learned today. So let me just open this one moment. Chin, 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 chin. Let me just open the bamboozle.
Daddy.
Okay, let's go. Let's have this classic. I want classic. Okay,
Glasses.
let's. What is your
Oh,
name?
I want team. Team 9. Ronaldo. Team 1. Team
What?
Ronaldo.
Who will be the team
Team
one?
Ronaldo. Team Ronaldo. No, I Team Ronaldo. That's Team Messi.
What is your team, Jangmin?
No. Team Messi.
Oh, Team Messi. Okay. Okay, so
No,
Team
it's not
Rolando.
Ronaldo.
What is your name? What is your team? Oh, Team Rolando is Namkan. Then Team Messi is Jangmin. Let me just rename your names, okay? Team Rolando, Team
No,
Messi. No.
teacher.
What is your name? What will be your name? What will be your name, Namkan?
Wait me.
What? Can you spell? Can you spell your name? The name of your team?
It's
Okay, let me check. Oh, Team Ronaldo. Oh, okay. Team Ronaldo. Okay. Let me just okay here. Okay. Is it okay now?
teacher. Messi.
What?
Messi. Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Team Messi is I. Okay. 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 So
Okay.
Team Ronaldo is Namkan. Team Messi is Jangmin. Okay.
Me.
Please
I
choose
choose
a
number
number.
12. 12.
Ronaldo. What?
12.
Two?
12. 12.
This one?
12.
What number? Two? Two or 10? 210, 210. What number? Ah, 12. Okay. Oh, you have 15 points. Okay, next. Next team, Messi.
Oh, why but I have 11 points?
What?
Why but why
You have 15
but
points.
okay
Oh,
now okay now.
oh, how about
Five.
you?
Five.
What? 5?
Five.
This one? Okay. Oh, what's this?
It is rain.
Very good. It's the rain. Good job.
I choose
Next
number
one.
6. Choose number 6.
6. Okay. What's this?
It's a seesaw.
It's the swimsuit. Perfect. Next.
Why number 7?
7. Okay. What is this?
This is sunshine.
Okay. Perfect. It's the
Yes.
sunshine.
I choose
Next
number
one.
10. 50.
10?
Yes.
10?
Yes.
Okay. What's this?
It's a ball.
It's a ball. Very good. Next one.
I want number 4.
4. What season is this?
It is season summer.
Very good. It's summer. Next one.
I choose number 14.
14. Okay. What season is this? It's our last
Spring.
lesson. What? It's it's Are you sure?
Spring.
Y- What is your final answer?
Spring. No summer.
Okay. Ah, are you sure?
No spring. Spring.
Is that your final answer? Final? Okay, let's check. Let's check. Let's check.
Yes.
Okay, very good. It's spring because in
Yay.
In our last lesson, we talked about spring. So, spring is where plants, trees, flowers bloom, like this one. They grow. Okay? So, very good. So, next
Number
one.
three. Number
What
three.
what number?
Number two.
Oh,
Oh, why? But I think G5 point.
I think I didn't click the OK. What number again? Jangmin?
Three.
3.
Three.
Okay.
Three. Three. Number three.
Mm. What's this?
It is flowers.
Flowers. Very good. Next.
Yeah. I 100.
Next one.
Parsley.
13.
Yes.
Okay. 13.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
It's our garden.
Garden. Very good. It's the garden. Next.
I want number 11.
11. Oh, swap points. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. No. Oh no.
Yeah. Just, two.
2. Okay, number 2. What is this?
This is uh, a sea.
See?
No, a beach.
Okay, final answer. What is your final answer?
A beach or a sea.
Only one answer. One answer only.
A beach. A
Uh,
beach.
okay, let's check. Very good. It's the beach. Okay, next. What number, Jangmi? Number? 9? 9?
Yes.
Okay. What season is this? Spring or summer?
Summer. Summer.
Summer. Very
Summer.
good. It's summer. Next one.
This. Number one.
Number 1. Okay. What season is this? Spring or summer?
Spring. No,
Spring. Let's check. What is your final answer? What?
It's a check.
What?
I want to check.
You want to check? Check?
Yes.
What is your answer first? Is it spring or summer? Spring or summer?
Spring.
Spring. Let's check. Okay, very good. It's spring because there are a lot of flowers. Flowers bloom in spring. Very good. Last number is 4, Jangmin. Oh no. This oh no.
Oh no,
Oh
down.
no. Peter. Okay, let's have another summer. So let's have it's okay. Let's have another game. Let's have another game. So it is also about summer. But for this one, we will learn some new words, okay? So you can answer with what you have known, and teacher will explain it to you afterwards, okay? So are you both
Play.
ready?
120.
24, okay. Classic.
Quizzing. Ollie. Quizzing Ollie.
Quiz only?
Yes.
No
Yes.
points?
Yes.
Why? How about you,
Quizzing.
Namkan?
I want quiz.
What? Shall we choose quiz only? Quiz only? What? Quiz? Classic? Oh, we should
No.
choose. Okay, we will choose classic since let's choose classic. Let's give chance to Namkan, okay? Let's choose classic. Okay.
Yeah. I
So
want team
for
one. I want team
okay,
one.
team 1 will be Team Messi. Team 2 will be
Team three.
Team Ronaldo. Okay. Number? What number?
Number
Jangmin.
three. Three. Super three.
Okay. What is these?
These are the
It's
these are
what is this? Is it a sleeping backpack, a tent, or sleeping bag?
sleep bag.
Sleeping bag. Final answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is a sleeping bag.
Yes.
Okay, so sleeping bag is what we use in the summer, especially when we are camping. So we use this to sleep. Okay, very good. So next one. Next one. Team
This is
Rolando. Number
number
20,
16.
15,
16.
or 16?
16.
Is
Yeah.
this? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What is this? Is it Mave or Wave?
Big.
What? What is your answer?
Big.
Ma- this one, Mave?
Big.
Mave or Wave? W or M?
Three, two,
Faster, faster.
one,
Oh no. What?
zero.
What is this?
W.
W or M?
W. W I M.
What's your answer? Ano, Jang? Ay, what's your answer, Namkan?
3, 2,
You can
1,
type your answer. Teacher can't hear you. Type your answer. Type, type.
0.
It's okay. What answer? What is your answer? Wave? Mave? W? Huh? I can't hear you. Can you type? Can you type your answer? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Can you type? Type your answer.
Is M.
What is your answer?
Is
M?
M.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh no. What?
It is wave.
It's wave. Oh
Oh,
no. It's wave. Okay, let's check Mave. So when we say Mave, so Mave is oh, what is this? Mave is a name. Yeah. Mave is a name. So as we can see in the picture, as we can see in the picture earlier, it's wave. So
waving.
the
Oh,
sea
my
has
number 6.
wave. Number 6.
Yes.
Okay. What is this? Is it sea house, loud house,
Like
lighthouse, or boathouse?
house.
Lighthouse?
Yes.
Okay. You want to check your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. So this is the lighthouse. So we usually see it in the sea, as we can see. So it is floating in the sea or in the beach. Okay. So very good. So next, what number, Team Orlando?
18.
18?
Yes.
Okay. What is this? Okay. Wait, let's show the choices. Is it an ice cream or a popsicle? What?
Oh, ice cream.
Very good. It's an ice cream because as we can see, popsicle looks like this. So this is a popsicle. So
Yes.
popsicle has stick. Ice cream, it has a cone. In the video, so this has a cone. So very good. It's an ice cream. Okay,
I
next
want
one. Number
to
5. Okay, 5. What is this? Oh, we have discussed this earlier. What is this? Let's show.
this
Is it a football, volleyball, or beach ball?
beach ball.
Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. It
Yay!
is a
Correct.
beach ball.
Beach
Next one, Team Rolando or Team Ronaldo. What's
Which
our
is
next
number
number?
four.
Number
Four.
4. Okay. Go to first place. Wow. You have 50
And number
points.
two.
Number
Ten.
number 10. This one.
Yes.
Okay. What is this? Is it sand building, sand castle, or bucket?
Ten peso.
Okay, let's check.
Ten peso.
Very good. It is a sand castle. So very good. So next
Number
one.
five.
5.
Five.
Okay. Number 5.
No.
What number? What number? Number?
Nine.
A 9. 9? Yes? Okay, let's go. Oh, go to first place again. Okay,
My number
next.
15. 15.
15?
15. Yes.
15? Okay.
Yes.
What is this? Is it a
So,
swimming dress, or swimsuit?
swimsuit.
Okay, perfect. It's a swimsuit. Next one, Team Ronaldo. What's next?
14.
14. Okay. What is this? Let's check. Is it a blanket or a towel? Blanket or towel? Okay, let's check. Okay, very good. It's a towel. So when we say towel, so it is towel is it's what we use when we are or after after taking a bath. Okay, so very good. Very good. Namkan. So this is a towel. Next one. What number? Jangmin? Team Messi, what number? 12?
Yes.
12? Okay. Swap points. Oh no. Okay, what number? What
Number
number? Team
11.
11. Okay. What is this? Is it sun chair, sunny bed, sunbed, or sleeping sun?
Chair.
What is the answer?
Chair.
Sun chair?
Okay.
Sun chair?
Wait.
Wait. Okay, we will wait for you.
Okay,
Fast,
now.
faster.
3, 2, 1, 0.
What is it? What is it?
Cái gì con? Kem mà. Kem mà. Ice cream. À, cái gì nhỉ?
What is it?
À,
Is it a sun chair, sleeping sun chair? Final answer, sun chair. Final
Sunshine.
answer. Oh no, it's not sun chair. What is this? It is
This.
what? What is it? It's a.
Iron.
It's a. It's a sunbed. Okay, so it's a sunbed. So this is what we use, especially in the beach. Okay, so this is not it is a chair, but it is a kind of a bed that we often use in
One
the
number.
beach. Oh,
Okay. One
oh,
number. Two.
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 We'll take points from Team Ronaldo. How many points?
Five.
5 points only?
Five. Five. Five.
Five?
Five. Five. This. Five.
Five
Five.
only? You don't want
Yes.
25?
No. I want five.
Five only?
Five.
You will take
Yes.
points. Are you sure?
Five only. Yeah. No. I want five.
Okay,
I
five
want five.
only. Okay. Next one. What number, Team Ronaldo?
Thank you, Dad.
What number?
Number 17.
17. Okay, swap points. Oh no. Okay. Next. Number
Wait.
8.
This.
Okay. What is this?
Huh?
This one. We talked about this earlier. So, is this a bucket or a sandcastle?
A bucket.
Okay, perfect. Very good. So, it's a
Yeah.
bucket. Okay, next. Next, Team Ronaldo. What
Number
number?
one.
Number 1. Okay, what is this? This one. These. So what is the girl riding? So let's check our choices here. Is it a swim circle, swim ging, swim ring, or swim swam? We often use this in the beach, especially when you don't know how to swim or you want to float in the beach. So what do we call this? Hmm, what is this? Uh, 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 uh. What is this? Is it a swim circle? Swim ring? Swim swam? Hmm, what's your answer?
Five, four, three, two,
Swim?
one, zero.
Swim?
Big
Swim ring? Sw-
farm.
swim swam?
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Oh no.
Oh
Next
no.
next answer. What's your next answer?
I'm seeing circle.
Swim circle. Let's check if it's swim circle. Oh
What?
no, it's not the swim circle. What is it? We only have swim ging and swim ring. What is it? Pastor, we have a teacher here. We only have
Swinging.
2 minutes left.
Swinging. It's
Swim ring
swinging.
or swim ging?
Ging.
Ging? Swim ging or swim ring?
Swinging.
Swim king? Oh no, no. We call this one as swim ring. Okay, so one last number. Team Messi. It's okay, Namkan.
Number 7. 7.
7. What
Number
is
7.
what is this? Is it a pineapple, cherry, or strawberry? Okay. Okay, very good. So good job. So this will be our final. This will be our final. Yes? Okay. So we do not have much time. We have another student and teacher here. We will continue this next time, okay? Okay, Namkan and
Okay.
Jangmin. So goodbye. So let me just screenshot this. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Good. See you again. Bye bye.